Hey guys, and welcome back to Trading at Home. And it's been a second, okay, since I last uploaded a video. I believe it was 2 months ago, and quite a lot has changed in my trading, in my approach um, to the market. A lot, just a lot has changed. And the biggest reason why I took a break was that I needed time. I think I was overwhelming myself too much with the YouTube and the trading at the same time, and I wasn't hitting the goals that I wanted to hit in my trading, and I thought it was just best to hope you can't hear that car, but I thought it was just best to just take some time off and just really focus on my trading, really focus on my process. And so what have I been up to essentially these last 2 months? Well, I started a live account for one of many reasons, but you'll previously see that I was trading with the Ichimoku. I am not doing that anymore. The way I'm trading currently is more price action based. So it's with market profile. It's on the 15-minute time frame, but I am still trading the Asian session. But you'll probably see it now in this video, how I trade. But so I've been trading that strategy for the past 2.5 months, and for me that is that's major because this is the longest I think I've ever traded a specific strategy because I'm so used to strategy hopping and changing strategies every 5 days, 1 week, 2 weeks. So this is the longest I've ever followed one strategy, and that is exactly what I wanted to see in myself. I wanted to see that consistency. Whether the strategy is doing winning or not, I wanted to follow through essentially. So I started a live account with $200. It was a live account, $200. I've been trading it since the 26th. If you see there, the 26th of, maybe I should just zoom in a little bit. Um, since the 26th of January, right? It's currently the my last trade that I did enter was on the 1st of April, and I'm not sure yet what the outcome is. I'm still in the trade, I believe. Um, I think it's this one. No, it's not that one, but I'm still in the trade. Um, Let me just show you how that trade looks like real quick. So I'm still in this trade. I entered right here, and currently the market is sitting. This is just, let me just drop down to the 15-minute. That's kind of doing something like this. So I entered somewhere here, I believe. I entered somewhere here. So that's currently what the market is doing. My take profit is all the way up here. You can see price almost hit the level, but it didn't before it came railing back down. So now all I'm doing is waiting to see if price can push back up. So this is currently the trade I'm in. Let me just fix that. So okay, back to what I wanted to discuss. So I just stepped back from YouTube because I just wanted to show myself that I could be consistent in a specific trading style, and so far I have proved that to myself. I've been trading the strategy, like I said, for about 2 months or so, and I can take that off the box. Now, as to how the account is going is a different it's a different story. So I started off the account at $200, and it's currently sitting at 189. So I'm down essentially. Let's just see how much. About 4.75%. That simply means I'm about 2 or 3 trades away from being winning trades from being break even. As I'm sure, one winning trade I usually aim for 3%. So I'm about 1, 2 trades away from being break even. But here's the crazy thing about the progress on this account. This account was once at a point, it was down 13%. So I have a little, here we go. I have this simple line chart just showing the progress of the account over time, and you can see I went through a major drawdown. I went through major drawdown, went from $209, so I was up all the way to my low was about $173. So right now I'm digging my way out of this drawdown, and usually I would say old me, past me would be very discouraged, discouraged at this huge drop that's happened here. But I'm not strategy hopping. I'm not going to change the strategy. I'm going to give the strategy time to prove itself. That's what I'm doing. I'm giving the strategy time to prove itself. So I'm either going to trade this for till June, 6 months, and see where we're at, then make some changes. But I've back tested the strategy. I have back tested the strategy. I think I did 2021 and 2020 backtesting, and it's a profitable strategy. It's just going through normal losses, normal losing streaks. So I'm just being strong. I'm carrying on. I'm trusting in the probabilities. So that's a little bit of an account update on this $200 account that I'm trading with this market profile strategy. Probably in the near future, I will do a video on this strategy, but not anytime soon. I want to give this at least 3 to 6 months worth of, not even three is too low, probably 6 months. I want to give this 6 months. I want to give it 6 months worth of live testing. Okay, so me actually waking up at 3 a.m., putting in the orders, trading at 6 months before I even do a video on it and actually see, is this a profitable strategy? Backtesting wise, it is a profitable strategy, but I want to see this in, forward. I want to see this forward. So this is currently where we are in the account. You can see we're slowly climbing our way out of this massive drawdown. I don't like predicting, but I kind of predict that hopefully in April we're back to break even, and sometime in May we're officially kind of in profit. So that's kind of the prediction. May we're up, and then April just trying to get right back to break even. Again, I'm only about 2-3 trades away from being break even, so I'm not quite worried. So yeah, so that's actually all I really wanted to update you guys on. I'm gonna try and do weekly videos just to show you how my trades are going on a week-by-week basis and where this account is on a week-by-week basis. This past week, right here, the 28th till the 1st of 28th of March, the 1st of April, I've done about, how much is that? 0.3%. I want to move this thing because I can't see, but it's about 0.3% that I'm up, which is not bad. Is it 0.3? I can't even tell. But yeah, it's about equals the sum. Let me just do this. The sum of, it's only these two really. Yeah, about 0.3% that I'm up, which is perfectly fine. The previous week was really good. It's what helped me kind of get out of drawdown. It was about 5%. I was up 5% the previous week, and then that other week it was about 3.78. So we're getting there. So my goal is to give you guys weekly videos of where the account is, my entries, how is living in drawdown going, and my psychology, and just all of that. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for getting this far in the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is road to being funded. This is the road to being funded with $300,000 by the end of this year. It's currently April. It's not really looking that good, but I'm trusting the process. I'm trusting the probabilities, and yeah. So please don't forget, again, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week when I kind of break down what happened this past week and where the trading account is, and if I'm finally out of drawdown, we'll find out. Thanks, guys. Bye.